In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile picture and theme with ease. Whether you're freshening up your digital look or making changes to match your recent photos, updating these elements is straightforward and can give your profile a fresh feel. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to sign into your account. Ensure you have your login credentials handy so that signing in will be a breeze. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner where your profile icon resides. Click on your profile link and this will open a drop-down menu with various options concerning your account settings. From this list, locate and click on the option to view your current profile photo. This is your starting point for updating your personal picture. Clicking on the photo brings up a more detailed view with an option beneath it labelled Upload. This is where you will choose your new profile picture. Make sure the new image you want to set is easily accessible on your device. It's always a good idea to select a picture that portrays you accurately and professionally, depending on the context of your profile. After selecting your new image by clicking Upload, don't forget the important step of saving your changes so they apply. With your profile picture updated, let's move on to customizing your theme settings. This adds a personal touch and can enhance the visual appeal of your interface. Start by clicking on the three vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Once there, you'll want to select Settings from the list that appears. Within Settings, navigate to Appearance. This area is where you personalize the look and feel of your user experience. You'll notice an option to follow the operating system theme, which automatically adjusts your app theme to mirror changes you make on your device, a handy feature for those who shift between light and dark modes frequently. If you have a specific preference though, you can also set it manually. For those who prefer darker themes, which can be easier on the eyes, especially during late night sessions, find and click on the dark option. On the other hand, you could choose the light theme if it suits your workspace better during daylight hours. And there you have it, your profile picture and theme will have a refreshed look that better represents your personal style. This process is quick and ensures that your online identity stays up to date and visually appealing. Thanks for joining today and enjoy your newly spruced up profile.